Yo, what's up mga ka-witness and mga ka-witty? So, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday the 13th, December 2024. So, guys, I'll give you an update on Bitcoin. So, yesterday, we talked about the descending triangle and then we break it. So, guys, ito na. Nag-retest na siya. So far, ito yung mga support niya. Grabe, napakaganda. So, as of now, we're talking, it's hovering around 100,200, like that to 300. So, anyway, I'm very bullish today. I'm thinking na, I think it would break the, 104 mark today. So, kung mangyari man yan, next week medyo magkakaroon ng gulo ulit, bababa, tataas. Pero ngayon, napakaganda ng market kasi nakita nyo guys, na-break na niya. So, nag-retrace na siya dito. So, more likely pataas na siya. Kung hindi man siya tumaas dito at untog ulit siya dito, baka sakaling bumaba ulit. Pero hopefully, dire-diretso na siya kasi itong tinatawag na retrace, support. That's the support na yan. Ang haba nito guys. So, ito yung support niya. Lahat yan magiging patong-patong na yan. So, lahat ng tao bibili na naman. So, anyway guys, so natapos na natin ito guys. Itong mga dip na to, boom, bumaba na dito. So, ito is third leg, lower high, and higher low pala, sorry, higher low. So going up na siya, pero ito guys, ang tawag naman dito is, ano ba yung kamay ko? Tawag dito is ito. Ascending triangle. So there's a possibility guys na pag hindi niya na break tong resistance na to sa taas,